Okay, the cover crop is ready to crimp down. The cereal rye is blooming, as well as the vetch, which has nice purple flowers on it. So we had a little bit of a rainstorm a while back, and some of it lodged over naturally on its own, but what we're going to do is we're going to walk these rows and get it all lined up on the surface of the beds. And since we have some stuff that lodged over, I'll be using my handy dandy pitchfork to kind of move things back. This is a real complicated piece of machinery we use. It's called 2 left feet. And we just kind of walk the bed, push it around a little bit. In case you get a few weeds in here, but not too bad. Every once in a while you find one. Kind of sneaks up on you. It's a lot better than it was a couple years ago. Sure. Tidy it up.
How do you do that? How do you tidy it up?
Well, you just walk it a couple times, snapping off the things that you miss. Make sure that you got the vast majority of it on the bed itself.
When will we be able to plant in it?
About 10 days. It wouldn't even really take that long. If it stays nice and dry like this, probably by next week. This row over here was crimped yesterday. The weed population in here is a fraction of what it was a couple of years ago. But we just keep working at it, and eventually it gets kind of beat down. This is the best stand of cover we've had on this yet. So the pathways have Oregon annual rye, and the beds have cereal rye and Perry vetch. The reason the pathways have Oregon annual rye is the pathways being lower than the raised beds tend to get wetter in the wintertime. The Oregon annual rye can take wet feet pretty well. But that's about as complicated as it gets. And some people say, well, it looks like a mess, but in reality it's going to look like a golden brown carpet in about a couple of weeks. Thank you.